video will show you how to make invisible comments on TikTok and every other social platforms. So right here, go over to, you see what this video says. If are you a hacker? If you are, do invisible comments. So today I'll be showing you how you can do invisible comments on all social platforms. Yeah, I know you must have tried this method. Open bracket, space, then close bracket. Then you now come over to this place. Then click on. So that's not how to do it. You see that the send button here has disappeared immediately. You clean the bracket. So this is how to do it. Go over to your web browser, search for zero width joiner, zero width joiner. So click on the first link, then it will take you to this page. Click on copy, then go over to the social platform you want to do it. Go over to,
they didn't believe in us.
go over to your TikTok, then paste it there. You see you have an invisible comment right there. So that's how to do invisible comments on all social platform. Please kindly like this video if this really helped you, and also leave a subscribe button, and click on the notification bell so you can get updated whenever I post a new video. Thank you.